Good day everyone. My name is John Owen Paulo Ditatel, and I'm going to be talking about how can we use Google Docs and also how can we integrate AI such as ChatGPT and a lot more AI models out there to make our work much faster, much efficient, and also convenient. So first of all, what is Google Docs? Google Docs is part of Google Workspace by Google. It is a cloud-based word processing program or tool. It is like Microsoft Word if you are much more familiar with Microsoft Word. It allows us to edit our documents, make posters and essays, and much more. And since it is a cloud-based program, our works are instantly saved by the internet. Our works is instantly saved to the internet, to the Google servers. And one advantage of Google Docs is we can use it to collaborate with multiple types of people to work on one document. So let us begin. So first of all, go to your Google search bar and type for docs.google.com. And a few advice, by the way, it is much more faster and much more efficient if you log into your Google account first, so that when you open Google Docs, it is open instantly in your Google account, which means when you save your work, it's instantly saved into your account. So now we are here at our Google Docs homepage. So when we are in Google Docs homepage, you can see a lot of options here. First of all, the black document if you want to create a new document. But instant presets are also available here, such as newsletter if you want to create newsletter, report, resume, or a letter. So that's the good thing about Google Docs. It has an instant preset. Also, when we scroll down, there's a lot of documents here. As you can see, this is my actual past documents. So yeah, you can also access your previous documents instantly. First of all, click blank document. So when we click on blank document, we are brought here to this page. And as you can see, it is very familiar with Microsoft Words, but there's a lot difference within its tools and also similarities on how we can work on it. First of all, when we press on this page, we can type. For example, I'm gonna type my name here. And when we are typing, as you can see, it is instantly saved. As we look here at the top left corner, for example, I'm gonna be typing. There's a saving here that you can see. So that means our work is instantly saved and we work on it. So here we have a basic essay example. First tool that I wanna show you is how to bold, right? How to bold it. It's available here. You can also italicize. And you also click here in the upper part of Google Docs. You can also italicize it. You can also underline some of your important phrases or words available here. And you can also change the color as we can see here. So that's part of the basic kind of formatting tools you can use. You can also change the alignment of your text. If you want to center align it, you can just press here at the alignment section, right? You can center it. You can put it to the right kind of alignment. You can also change the spacing of your documents. Let's say I want a 1.5 kind of spacing. Just click here the line spacing. I want to double it, for example. Let's change it back to the left alignment. And I can put here some bullets, right? Here. This is my first bullet, second bullet or checklist perhaps, right? I can put here basic bullets as well. So that is just the basic formatting tool. And also one of the special tools that I think I saw here is when you go at the tools menu, right? So there are also a lot of tools available. You can also check your spelling or grammar. Maybe you have an error on your grammar. You can also check it. Uh, Actually, here I have no error in my grammar or spelling, so that is good. You can check it if you are not sure if your grammar or spelling is correct. Also, one of the more unique features I found here is word count, right? So, for example, if your boss or your professor gave you a specific number or the number of words that is allowed in your document, you can check it if you have reached the quota of the number of words that is available. You can check here. So I have here 175 words and 1,138 characters. So you can check the of number of words or characters that you have. It also have here a voice typing tool. If you're like if you're quite tired from typing with your fingers, voice typing is also available here. So for example, I'm gonna be demonstrating how you can type using your voice. Yeah. Allow. My name is John Owen. I am 24 years old. So that is an example of how we can use voice typing. You can use your voice. Also, we have here a lot more tools. You can also check your dictionary. You can translate the document if your document is like in Chinese or Filipino, and much more. And also, one of the features here that I have for you is when we are editing our documents and we want to save it offline, right? We have an option to save it offline as well. For example, your computer, I mean your internet is out, right? And you want to still edit it, you can actually make it offline. You can make it available offline, which means that if you're editing here, it simultaneously saves your work online when there is internet and offline when there is not. You can also download your document. You can download this as a PDF, Microsoft Word, or any other kinds of formats that is available here. Okay, now that we are done with the basics on how to use Google Docs, we're going to be now proceeding on how we can integrate AI within Google Docs to make our works a lot more faster. Now, there are a lot of AIs that you can use, like ChatGPT, for example, the most famous one. But personally, I use Cider. This is just an example, but you can actually search for other AIs that could be more convenient for you. For example, I'm going to be using Cider. Go to Google search bar, search for Cider, Cider AI extension, right? Click Cider AI. It's gonna be the first one who's be coming up when you search for it. Now, click on this web page here. Now to install Cider on your browser, click Add to Chrome. By the way, I already installed Cider in my Google Chrome, and supposedly, since I already installed here, it's gonna be showing here in Add to Chrome, right? So when you have done installing it, it will automatically be installed in your browser. Now click on the upper right corner that shows here extension and click on it, right? So here is your little AI assistant. Now we're gonna be exiting that for a moment. Now let's go back to Google Docs. Now, for example, you're gonna be having a research, right? Let's say my topic is about Isaac Newton. Okay, Isaac Newton. And for example, you cannot think of a the things about Isaac Newton, so you need a little help. So here at the bottom right corner, there's a little gradient brain here. So click on that. And here is Cider AI, right? Here is Cider AI. So I'm gonna move my camera for you to see. So there are a lot of tools that is available in Cider AI. You can record your notes. You can write. You can also translate. You can check your grammar. Now we're gonna be focusing on how this little assistant, AI assistant, can help us, right? So for example, I cannot think of anything about Isaac Newton. Now, help me. We're gonna be typing help me get information about Isaac Newton. So this little AI, like ChatGPT, look, he will automatically search for you who Isaac Newton is, right? So about his details, who is Isaac Newton, his contributions in math, physics, astronomy, optics, biography. So this is the favorite thing about this AI. So I'm gonna be writing about Isaac Newton. You're just gonna copy this information here. So it's not literally cheating. It's just a very easy kind of Google search. It will just summarize the thing for you a lot more faster. Now you can copy this word by word, for example, or you can just copy here who he is, but it's up to you really. So that's about it and how we can integrate AI in our Google Docs. Now, this is John Owen Paulo Ditatel, and thank you again for watching my video. So,